superstar. It is this man, the number 77, Luka Dončič, in uniform at EuroBasket, ready to lead his team. International windows for Slovenia. There you can see they also have 14 players in camp. This combination, Europe and America to come. And the question is, will this man have a say in where waiting? Gets it back and uses that high screen, little stack action for him. Finds Popotnik wide open, and there's a worrying sign for the Great Britain team. Foul away from the ball. So now Dončič into the post, draws contact, and will shoot two here to come. In the NBA this year across obviously two teams, started with Dallas, but of course all about preparation for both these teams. Yeboah has been the lead man for Great Britain. Now it's his turn to guard Dončič. Dončič loses him. Comes off a second screen. Now gets deep into the lane, fouled once again, and he'll be GB. So as he left at the age of 13, Hessen sets the pick for Wheatle, and now Yeboah catches it in the corner, taken in by Slovenia, and that's a lot of room for Dončič. He misses, going to get a second look at it here. Surely he's not going to miss the second one in a row. Dončič getting the ball back, stack action coming. Dončič turns the corner, gets all the way for an easy two. Pass up in those situations, but shows always reading and taking what the defense is going to give him as the steal and run out. Throwdown is good. Hessen has it in the low post. Dončič reaches behind, tips it, but Great Britain keep it up. Now waiting for Luka. Here he is. Thinks about the three on the line. First substitutions coming in for Slovenia. Action. Under 3 minutes left in this first quarter as well. Here is Dončič once more, holding, being guarded closely by Philip. Trying to find some room. He is fouled. For Dončič. As you'd expect. Guarded by Adamu. Single coverage. Tough match-up. Adamu giving up that size and strength against Dončič. Looking for Horscher. Here he is. As it's taken away by Dončič. Dončič, feed ahead, beautiful pass. Britain to tip it away. Sturger knocks down the three. Sorry, it was Luka. Dončič gets the steal and finish. God, Dončič. Everybody getting ready, waiting, knowing Luka is going to score, he's going to find you. Sells the fake. It's how do you slow this man down? See, just so smart. First half, there we said those numbers. Where is the second? Already has 8 points. Yeboah cuts off of Bello. Bello spins away from his man. Opening for Philip then. He goes to the floor, no foul called. Using that same play, that same high screen. Caused so many problems, and he does it again. Great pass out. Triple is good. Dončič getting in deep, flipping it out to the wide open man. Green. Nelson tries to make the backdoor pass. Can't. Dončič takes a hit. Slow to get up. Play continues. Last second. Dončič remains on the floor. Seems to be okay. Alongside Muric, as well, so staying starting five. Tomic gets it deep, takes his time, good work this earlier in the first half as well, got a good shot this way this time, but the leak out, no one back for Great Britain, and it is the timeout firing. Out of the half-time break, excuse me, another turnover for Great Britain game this year. Won a trophy as well, as Yeboah's three, getting it back. Some the space for Popotnik. Fires another three finished. There's another turnover. Their third of this third quarter. Hrovat runs out, gives it to Dončič. It hasn't been a three for Luka here tonight. go behind his back. Stroke from Bello. Dončič buried the three and does. Boa gets it from Bello. Spins. High screen once again. One way, other way. Splits between two. Reaching into the hands of Bello. Trying to find that room. Game. Lennon has 8. It's got Dončič though. Into the free throw line. Kicks it out. 3-point shot for Slovenia is good. There's the easy score. Switch. Attack one-on-one. See if Akin can get on the glass. It's off the pass. Offensive rebound. Dončič has it now against Akin. Good defense from Akin. Still a tough finish from Dončič. And timeout coming. That was committed. And Luka Dončič heads to the bench. Good work from Luka. 28 points, 10 assists. He's got the double-double. 6 rebounds as well. 3 steals.